Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and I hope you are all doing great and you are improving your English speaking skills. So today I'm recording my videos late because some guests visited my house and now they have left. That's why I'm recording my video late. And today I'm going to talk about how to use prep method and how to use the word uh, like and how to use uh, in your examples. Like prep method is very helpful, and when you use it, even I started recently, so if I made a mistakes, please try to if I made a mistakes, please try to correct them, comment and tell me in the comment. So let's start. Like, for example, happy. Like, I want to tell you that how to use the vocabulary, how to use the new words like happy. So there are so many happy word has a synonyms like joyful, delighted, cheerful. So you can use these words in your speaking practice. For example, I feel very happy when I make my videos because creating videos help me to express myself and improve my English speaking skills. And the reason when people watch my videos, it's make me feel happy. I feel delighted. I also talk to myself and laugh and smile, which makes me feel joyful. Making videos always makes me feel confident, makes me feel happy and confident. So these types of examples you can use it because it's help you to express yourself more. And you can use like sad. So sad, for example, if I don't make my videos, I feel sad. And reason, because if I don't uh, sad, I feel sad when I don't practice my English. I feel sad when I don't practice my English because if I because practicing English help me to improve my speaking skills and confident. And the reason and the example. Right now, I'm going to give the example. If I, for instance, if I skip my practice for a few days, I feel upset, or I feel upset, and I can I feel upset and I lose my confidence while speaking. That's why I don't skip my practice. So these types of examples helps us to improve our speaking skills. I think prep method is very helpful to practice your speaking skills. So you can learn even you learn the vocabularies and you applied it very well. And because I think that is the bestest way to practice your English speaking skills. And I get this idea watching the IELTS students because they express themselves, and I ask this to ChatGPT. So ChatGPT also told that if you use the prompt method, it helps us to express ourselves. So I find that method is very useful. And I learn some new words, like instead of like we say always said that about think. So instead of about think, um I am thinking about it. You can say that. Uh you say always like if you think that you are not, for example, if you think that you are not good at enough in English, now instead of think, you can use consider. If you consider yourself that you are not good enough in English. So these are the word. This is the way you can improve your vocabularies. Even I am working on that, and I learn vocabulary the way I am talking about right now. I find the word and I write the examples. And even I write it down so many examples, like I'm going to tell you because so like change, modify, reduce, minimize. Like we say always say that I want to talk about. So you can instead of I want to talk about, you can say that I want to discuss about the topic. I want to discuss about the topic. So these are the way this is the method, and this is the very useful technique to learn the new vocabularies. So I write it down a lot. I can't show you everything. Like we always use, I want to show you. For example, so and we always talk about improve. So improve, instead of improve, you can say enhance. I want to improve my voice. Like I want to speak clear, right? So you can say I want to enhance my voice. So these are the examples. These types of examples helps you to remember the vocabularies longer, and you can use them again and again in your practice. So it will help you to use these vocabularies and improve your English speaking skills. So these are the things. That's all for today that I wanted to share with you. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and thank you so much for always motivated me and commenting on my videos. It always motivate me to work hard. So thank you so much again.